Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spirit Lightbody.
Hi!
Hey, check this out, y'all. This dragonfly right here, right? This joint, my daughter seen it and she's like, Daddy, it's a dragonfly. And I'm like, what? And I'm like, what? And I look and I'm like, oh, it is a dragonfly. So we start trying to get it to come to us and it crawled on me or whatever. And I mean, it can fly a little bit, but it can't fly but only so far and for so long. So I've been holding it for probably about 5 minutes or whatever. And I literally, like, I was trying to let him go on the wood in the back. I tried letting him go on the front porch. And he crawled on it halfway, and then he would not get off of my hand, though. And, like, literally, he just crawled further up my hand. Like, that's so amazing, man. Like, see, I've never had this happen to me before, so that's why I'm so amazed by it. But, you know what I mean? Like, I personally believe it's a sign spiritually from me. Not believe, excuse me, I know it's a sign, you know, letting me know that, like, one of my people said one time, they made a comment, dang, forgive me, I can't remember your name. I think it was Unique Unity, actually. But he was saying that, bro, that's showing that you're becoming closer to nature. And yeah, I must say, like, that's pretty cool, man. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've had bugs, you know, fool with me before, but, you know, it's just a feeling that I got. So that's pretty cool, y'all. But hopefully it'll recover and it'll be all right. Yeah, he is beautiful, isn't he, baby?
Yeah,
no doubt, man. It's very beautiful.
Very
But, man, I just wanted to drop that in y'all's ear. Peace and love, man. HOTC, y'all. And so it is.